Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down the beauty products that claim to give you that extra touch of luxury. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to transform dry, frizzy, and damaged hair. Wella Professional's Ultimate Smooth Miracle Oil Serum and Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue. If your hair has been feeling parched or just needs a little TLC, you're in the right place. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on an honest review like this one. Wella Professionals brings us two products in one convenient travel-size bundle. First, the Ultimate Smooth Miracle Oil Serum, designed to tame frizz, enhance smoothness, and add shine. With patented technology that includes Squalane and Omega-9, this serum promises to nourish your hair from within while creating a protective barrier on the outside. The second product, the Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue, targets damaged hair, working to restore its strength and vitality. Both products are formulated for dry, frizzy, and damaged hair, offering a solution to those of us struggling with unruly strands. The travel-size bottles are perfect for on the go, and let's be honest, who doesn't love an instant hair transformation in a bottle? Now let's talk about how they perform. I've been using these products over the past couple of weeks, so I have a pretty good feel for what they can do. The Miracle Oil Serum has a lightweight texture, which I love because it doesn't weigh my hair down. Applying it after styling leaves my hair feeling sleek, smooth, and with a noticeable shine. It's not greasy, so it doesn't look like you've overdone it. The fragrance is light and fresh, nothing overpowering, just a soft, pleasant scent that lingers without being too much. As for the Miracle Hair Rescue, it's a bit thicker in consistency but absorbs quickly into the hair. I focused on the ends of my hair, where the damage is usually most noticeable, and I did notice a difference. The ends felt less dry and a lot more manageable. I've also been using it after washing my hair, letting it air dry. The result? Less frizz, smoother texture, and overall healthier looking hair. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, both products are packed with hydrating ingredients like Squalane and Omega-9. These are great for locking in moisture and providing long-lasting hydration, which is crucial for dry hair. They also give a nice, smooth finish without being heavy. The travel-size bottles are perfect for trying the products out without committing to a larger size. But as with any product, there are some downsides. The price point might be a bit high for some, especially if you're used to drugstore options. While the products deliver noticeable results, they might not be the best option if you're on a tight budget or not yet convinced they'll completely solve your hair issues. In terms of value for money, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you're someone who regularly deals with dry, frizzy, or damaged hair, and you're looking for a high-performance product, the Wella Ultimate Smooth and Repair Set might be worth the investment. It's formulated with ingredients that directly address these issues, and you can feel the difference after a few uses. However, if you're just looking for a basic smoothing serum, there are definitely more affordable alternatives out there that can get the job done. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. The bottles are sturdy but compact, so you don't have to worry about them leaking in your bag. They also feel premium, so you know you're getting a high-quality product. Let's talk alternatives for a second. If you're in the market for something similar but don't want to splurge, brands like OGX or Shea Moisture offer affordable options that tackle frizz and dryness in a similar way, though they may not have the high-end formulation and ingredients like Squalane. Now, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. And if you're itching to get your hands on these products, the link is in the comments. If you've ever tried either of these Wella products, drop a comment below and let me know your experience. Do they live up to the hype? Let's chat. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.